So, let's get past this whole entire stoplight and on our way to Mexico City. David loves Mexico.
That's
he
right.
says he loves tacos. He's a taco lover. You know, we'll kind of see how it all goes. So, I mean, riding around into it, I mean, you can look right over to our monitor, what's all going on, and so forth. See, should we try to do it with some lights so we can see each other in the video? I mean, it ain't that big of a deal. We got tinted windows, so it's not like anyone else will see anything. I mean, overall in general, just even riding in it, it feels like a regular Nissan for the most part, don't it?
Yep, sure does.
I mean,
It doesn't feel any different than my 17 I've got.
yeah, and this is a 16. We got 366 5-blade Mafia in this one, and it's simple. It's daily driving. It still responds. It is a little bit more laggy. 366 is a little bit more laggy. From a factory setup, it's a ton more laggy. But if you're coming from like the bigger 6.7 trucks and so forth doing single turbos, it's not even close to being as laggy as going to like a 475 or 472 turbo setup. Only saying that because I've done them, so it's pretty simple like that. So wish we had a mount right here.
Yeah.
Like right here, this would be great. Like in-cab riding, you know, here's a CFT in-cab riding.
We'll let you drive.
So, yeah. Try to do some video footage and everything and just on the road. And right now, we're running just downpipe and downpipe only because guess what? I blew the drive shaft apart and I blew my exhaust off in the process of the drive shaft coming apart. Guess what? I'm putting hoops and everything else on here now, and I re-welded up the drive shaft. So,
What he's saying is, you got to pay to play.
yeah. So,
Your shit's fogging up.
it's because I don't got it on. So, but we can do the first straightaway. I am running the pedal commander still. It just helps take all the lag out of it. It really does.
And what's your pedal commander set at currently?
+4 on city.
+4 on city.
So no tow haul, just rolling into it. And we are at 43% throttle right now.
Holy fuck.
Still at 43% throttle. And over 40 pounds of boost, 50 pounds of boost.
Holy fuck.
At 43% throttle. That's in tune 3. Right now we are running HPP tunes. We're working on them. We're also working with PPAI. So I will be, actually I should have been doing a data log to be honest, because everybody right now is on my ass about doing data logs. So let's do this right and we'll turn around. We'll actually hit a data log and let's do a little bit more than wide open throttle. And we'll try to get ourselves a good data log going. Make sure no one's coming. You know, over here in Mexico, it's kind of, yeah, you got a little tire rub. Nothing but a hammer can fix. So, let's go ahead, take our GDP monitor and record data log.
I'm gonna attempt to catch all this holding the phone this way.
Well, and we'll get back on the straights and see what we can do.
Does that look to you as far as on your phone?
Well, fuck, it looks like you're looking at my hand. So you're better off just almost looking at us. We can, I'll post the data logs up for everybody. I can send it to myself on my technician account and so forth on EasyLink, and I'll post it to everybody. So, all right, let's roll into it. 43% throttle again.
Oh, fuck.
That was 130.
Wow.
It was in about a little bit farther than an 1/8 mile strip on a roll. We just did 130 on here. I say we're getting somewhere.